The VPI RJ45 Crimping Die for Standard RJ45 Plugs is a replacement crimping die for Standard RJ45 Plugs that is compatible with VPI automated crimping machines. It supports Standard RJ45 modular connectors and delivers precise connector termination performance with consistent crimping accuracy. The die features durable industrial die construction and provides quick die replacement capability for efficient production operation. It is designed for high-volume cable assembly workflows and dependable networking connector termination. Visit HDTVSupply.com to learn more.